Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the SHISHI HD Waterproof Makeup Kit Combo for women and girls, a 15-piece set that's got all the essentials for a full glam look packed into one amazing kit. Let's dive in and see what this beauty haul has in store. First up, the eyeshadow palette. It's loaded with vibrant shades from creamy mattes to dazzling shimmers, perfect for any occasion. I swatched a few and the pigmentation is pretty solid, a bit of fallout, but nothing major, and they blend out nicely. Next, the 12-piece makeup brush set. These brushes are soft and sleek with no shedding. I used the big fluffy one for powder and the smaller ones for eyeshadow, and they work like a charm. The kajal is jet black and super creamy. I lined my waterline and it stayed put all day with no smudging. Love that intensity. Then the 3-in-1 combo. It's eyeliner, mascara, and brow gel in one. So handy, and the black is bold enough to make my eyes pop. The false eyelashes are a fun addition. Easy to apply, and they give instant drama to any look. Now the red edition lipstick. This shade is a stunning classic red with a smooth finish that lasts for hours, perfect for a bold lip vibe. The foundation is lightweight with good coverage. It evens out my skin tone without feeling heavy. The primer smooths my skin and keeps everything in place, a total game changer. The loose powder sets my base with a soft matte finish, no shine even after hours. And the makeup fixer, a quick spritz, and my look is waterproof and sweatproof. I tested it and it held up beautifully. This kit is a steal for anyone wanting an affordable all-in-one option. Great for beginners or pros. It's not luxury. Some shades could be richer, but for the price, it's awesome. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full waterproof look with this kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment.